Obeba me mobi biara akwaba edeba Adum TV so we Cameroon Soccer Fiesta Fire for Fire edition and me Mavis Savonya fa lady a job lady Visda papa bi me ginem dia mama nua be ma countryman songo ya wetu fa akopie mu e Cameroon na ene e D-Day. Today is the D-Day. Obia Ghana fo nyina naka me feel say Ghana fo wo mo adwa kra che se wo mo say nya ade a wo mbe so Black Stars so kra nanso so enne se unam kroma enne de the visibility is there. You can rightly see say amount for ever into the spirit because one man will say a tournament no e sha ase no amount for emom homodin a bit to say the host nation Cameroon. We saw their first game even though they won by 2-0 no sir penalty no cry me control me social media say penalty na me hu ni ye. It was so dubious because that one field of play on the game na nkasa no mo money ye. But we saw their game yesterday. They came back. What Mo said now, back heavily and you saw the greatest winner. One winning here. You saw the scoreline 4-1. They fought like real fighters, and that is what we are demanding from you, the Black Stars of Ghana. Today is the day. Sani American Ghana for bebre me nam krom no amanfo ahye Ghana, they are branded in the Ghana jerseys. That means say Ghana, they still love you, the Black Stars. They still love you. And it is over 30 million Ghanaians. And ye kukuru yakuma and ye de simu abeti so. Enti me fire. Oso beba be fire. Na countryman songo so abe fire na ye den. Na yo jana bibia konkan. Me fire no beba but me kan fast da e mama boafo a wo mo bo mechi dom shon ko mewie me de eye Soccer Fiesta Fire for Fire edition no e de abrel ene awie na me de bro dia DBS Roofing Industries wo mo e de roofing sheet papa ba wo mo bo mechi dom shon ko Elohim treatment theater wo mo so e bo wo mo homode center wo mo bo wo mo homode papa wo yare a wo mbe sa wo yare ama bibia akonkan e de ama na OPK hands free me na wo ka say a se me director Presla director me comedian na say who say me tin nka yie no na ye OPK hands free womo e na ebo me chidom shonko ama me de ensem no e de abrel na electroland for so ebo ye chidom shonko e ma bibia e konkan a na enye asem ketwa kwa Samsung for so ebo ye chidom shonko diwekuo no womo e doso papa e na ye de ensem no ebrel ene awie etu be ka me ho enche me bie phone lines na so na so waba be fire na bibia konkan Sergio Manucho wono ene eye all the fantastic crew ene ebo mechidom shoko mewie me de nsem no abrel time kuchu netie na won so efa wo dia point to ho me bie phone lines na so why den waba be fire because boys no omo wo camp me no ka say womo ebie mu enya asem ketwa e wo Cameroon ho a womo etie yensem a yebeka ansa na 7 PM pepepe ye di game no access enne ensema ye bisa wo Fire for Fire so eye tie Black Stars of Ghana. Since when? And I better name motivational speakers. Is it only motivation? And I do winning games. And now say eye ahwodin any ahofama and a passion. And a one more ye point. A motivation ye points ana. Ye bisa. But answer na member motivation so no mamindi kan fire coach na nkasa answer. Sergio Manucho men kakakra nche coach Milovan Rajovic. Na fe me mra point this so about the motivational Na coach Milovan Rajovic you and no kasa. Someone who ask coach Milovan no what it tree na what it tree do mo amote ne nche no wo amote brofo e na wo amote ti brofo fo ne nche no wo amote tree e wo mo be translate ama na te ase e ti de ye kanyina what papa what want ya no oboa what yankasa coach Milovan Rajovic today is the day and na ye start ye course no ye campaign no it is today and ye start first one e de ye mo ne di no wo mo ni nko ne aka no Ghana ye bebo ho ban coach today obia e hwew I said, what the squad I said, you are hiding the squad B and all that. And no end to me when you game on my end. And no, yeah, no, yeah, but your catcher will say, make sure, say, you do the right selection. You do the right selection. The first 11, no. You went with about players. I would do 30 players in the ABI, Kran, any players will come for Kran. We have about 23 players in camp. And I stand to be corrected, but me young ABI Macran, we have about 23 camp. You cannot tell me, say, it's a BM more just a year won't me quality. I bet me face these African countries. I any one way share. And that's how the main fan is said Gabon and ye kwasiani won't me 11 players are won't bet me see a can jinemu ye at the amayen. What the local players call ye? They are not there for exhibition. Oh. The players you send there, no, they are all there. Say one can represent the whole Ghana. We have a lot of players, and yet only is 23. And I said the crop of players are what they call no and what. But you convinced us Ghanaians, say those are the best you could find. Any idea too? Any ya bomb who can ye mwako. Give us value for our money. The selection and then my who selection this year. My selection this year. Now tactically, let's see the tactics of you who say who bought game formation be a year who say yes, this is Ghana playing. You cannot go and play one top. My any strikers be a one more sabi. One more sharp that sir. Now what na Ghana credit can 4-4-2 na nangi ebo. We call one top no so any sharp be a striker be a forward be a walk go na same. Comparison be a. But I'm saying that the year was a make sure you give us tactically my game year. What I say, statistically so my yenhu sano. And na edu baby I was say we are substitutional massa. That's this saying say we winning team no yen changing winning team. Yes. But you are losing. Not so would you know move. Uncle Sam baby I will be amichiao. I see move. Oh ball. Wa won't mean say wa won't we are who you have players at the bench. Na as I want me value taxes want me change bia now to what's up between 4-5 minutes to the end of the game will lose soon after na we be changes. No, we don't want to see that today. Say wo bobo me only winning team and I answer it's who game no na say make changes, be confident, make changes. My young who say yes you hire good coach because Ghana just wild breaking that jeans no that case now it's whatever I die so 40 years jeans now me break it no we want to break it you sign for that way. Coach Milovan Rivach a wet to a wise is enough and you the players Macro from one, my baby at them, but my cousin, and ya crop, and ye dish game, ye do winning game. What did they make an say? And yet, motivation, and ye do winning game. What ya say? More players, me catch them was said this time around. Make sure more quackable born, who could not fill the nestle with pride. Amuko bobo no don't need the jersey, the Ghana jersey. Ekwako see a kind bring me so the amount my Ghana. When who the other say ye. JJ Okocha on one of the super sports. Na oka. Na oka. Or say and yet Ghanaians in kwa and a woman any damusuo. It's all the continent, Africa continent in any damoso. Mo ya mamu said ya ko kampi mo wakata. Ya say ya ye bibia, ya wo say ye bia ya ye dia mamu. You just have to deliver for us. You just have to deliver for us. What I say, make kwaje inside Cameroon. ewo papa maestro ho kwaku bi maestro aye krado me pa akodi enu aba na me ba fire no ye beto aso kwaku bi maestro se wa ye krado a ma ye hu de ekoso inside Cameroon na etiefo ne ahwefo nyina etio
one pay bi ba no abone de dene ediama the Black Stars of Ghana against Gabon na or the 3 maximum points no ediaba na boost the morale of the boys na fe ama Ghana for so a lot of confidence na they support the senior national team the Black Stars of Ghana we dey sempa senior
na meti so sempa bobi ai so obi abompa
but no ne ade adabia ye ka because me no
I'm tell you so board obo no
of course but say ya hihye ni yi anase ya hihye ni yi no ya mompa ya nka ho enye
ende e okwan bi aso nti ye bo no Gabonfo so bo
tom so bo
nti wo a waye woni ema yi no no Nyankopon beboa wo na watimi edi nkunim
but wo hwa Ghana team no ya hihye ni ema yi
ya hwe first match ndi ya hihye ni ema yi
but the
anadwu ne betimi hihye ni ema yi dia ene Nyankopon betimi aboa yi na wo pe cap waje na wonti ma hye Gabon debi na okohefa so china ye intima shaka bondi na say team ni na say dissolve
wow
including the technical team and everybody cause yeah ban ye say beje cup
yeah
ye share Egypt ye share Senegal ye share Cameroon that's what share Gabon o pese emwafo nyina ku na ye emwado mahene na o share kusie na wonti man kumpusie a obedi wonti man wakum adowa na say osono and say
jatabi
good entino yende ye watwe mu na emrante so come and so who Ethiopia for no
yeah
first half is boron boy omo na anhwe omne meyi kenaka Cameroon for be na papa but all the same no bet make say achia emuye ye hye ne meyi se na egusu kanwa niam betimi akoye adentina make sa e begina technical team so enye wo na bakwa selection ama no
yeah
ne mo se o yensa kire ai betimi aboye onye bold enough
okay
na wo mu onfo so me so called superstars no so be nyadia on man entran bench it's just simple as that. You see the point on your board because minim baby a papa say you tipping a dream now ultimately any I could draw it because I assume Messi no benti. Look at what happened the first match.
Yeah,
the day are you after the game undo okay was na one tiapo no be tiapo out the koko
Debbie
that you see the point into no on your board enough no find crushing some and share boys room uncle be a room one by one me do bo you know she me no yam na she won so nyam so dey good coaches no me am ko be dem back and you know yeah me so papa ni be nya sa so hu no no timi aboa and me be hu ye final we no
final training no
well
okay mrante na nim a hu say
yeah timi say stress training ade wo on fan kwako agopama no so no onko mra ho no she go smile because let me tell you now no yebo match against your friend saying Morocco because you could fear do no say me nati wo say Kofi say e show mo a on betmatica but almost share ya intimate Canada no say adan and I'm say no ye name say ye bepe go opa wo bo no nam ha na ni abre esugu Nyankopon so but when name na so better 100 ya that's na why na ye name say be shego apart from Joseph
Pinto
out to be run ball shots been where they could see it. It's the end here, the team nechi. Team here, Juman Sokoso. You see the point?
Yeah.
Team no uncle here, a higher papa, say a record cry. Ona the team create 2 Cambry Bina, now can't be Nani, which is not good record.
Yeah.
The empire and so on bit my boy money. It's almost so. No more in nice.
But often you share Cameroon Ethiopia and we hear the standard of play and also and we hear players are ne bomber both sides who say be any abre or person ye it boils down to the question say the quality of our team, you know. I'm of what you say from compared to other countries I monitor, more especially Sierra Leone, Abo, Algeria, draw Elho, you certain Nigeria, watch Egypt, Asheno, and you Cameroon, so also you share no wabati now what Shemi and Saka 4 goes to 1. It looks as if there's a quality, no, from Kakra.
A quality in uniform, no more quadrone.
A players now as a technical team.
A boys in the country.
Players in the country.
Yeah, boys in here, a binumi a quadro. You see the point. And he ha a woman. Obayade no better obetwen bedro no obi abayewie we share zero for Kenya.
Yeah,
how many of them and are more exposure?
Yeah,
how many?
Yeah,
share any Ethiopia for how many of them? And so share any Dani adom de bobo. You see the person granted on money thing. You see, and yes, omni born bo, but a quadruple woman. Look at the and the yado.
Yeah.
If I boss or betua, or to me, now about 2 minutes, no new beer to man. Then in Sacra Popo, hey, throw in the keke. But I ought to a man with patrol in
a professional player.
Yes, will be tackle. Now, hope. You see, it is all more money thing. Because any deal is a bono be nimbo, but any day to only come out one. Nebit me a boy, your quality no, but because they were from one. Well, a beer or no because it be a webo harbor, but him for noble.
A boy England.
Jordan him for noble.
A boy England.
A Martin for noble.
A boy England.
Now, 3 solid. A boy EPL. Almighty EPL. Also, Timony, but a quadro. And a womb. So me a quadruple free more.
Yeah, finally enough and wrap it up the striking ability. When I'm say Ayana Yankomo DB now the dead ball betonet at the Amai. I still lucky and because your strikers are Maxwell Abiku or Benjamin Tete or Richmond Boachi Adomoho and a Jordan or 4 strikers, yet finding the back of the net a problem at the mine.
Coach a selection no him from don't ball 2 top. Or the Jordan the day boy.
Yeah.
The day a striker. When we went to South Africa, no I'm a hobby. The cost scout when say South Africa defense no. What the pressure I create to so by 5-10 minutes are. No my confused. And into Siki akono. Yes sir. Siki kwa selection no they didn't akot top. Ubeti me. I saw cross for him on and Kofobi so. Any you see the point. So about Jordan at least Boachi Yado
and Canho
and
Canho 2 top.
That's right. Now to me more the Dene Jordan that. You see the point. And you know Yanshe me the mini BBA say BBA jina coach so. Yeah can yent me for so self away shape. But on one yansem no. One who say the day ain't me and pair Jordan I was top. To one withdraw the day Emrechi and now weeks so no one for a branch here or by name. You never saw Kasa.
Richmond Boachi.
So we are matured enough now. I will bet me Abua. No one pair on the offense Jordan.
Yeah.
Near where they be.
And Ghana for a show. My name say when your confidence kakra with team.
Ocha enti makotie eye adwenkyira odi asempa kwame ware wode yankasa ye revolving reporter kwakube maestro ede aba womo akasa ade afa game no acheche womo adwen a obia eche na adwen se na wo tifia obeba be che wadwen na bibia konkan no me de mo my value for money ye sika na hunya ye si bibia wati ase ai yetua muka enye yi yaka de ase ye kenyina motivation odi ende ni nyina amamu enei ye hia ne 3 points no what you say ye hia eno ne 3 points no ye be cha ye hosima na ye ba e be de oja
no we about to say well
Ocha, Ejani Shiwa Obede, Ubeba, Minia Bema Fireman, the countryman songo, why crowd dear, ewo, Cameroon, dear, not to say, yen too fan, yenko, na yeneno, and quatrice and como. Na Ejani Shiwa Patrick, Ejani Shiwa. Okay, yegusua ebo ahoma na yesa eka eye countryman songwa ye de esem no ebeto aso but say na me ne wo kan what I say aka chem players no give us value for our money no na eyade Ghana for atro ne dodo pa e de ase ne ya wo mo ese misa eti e bisa ye ka akire mo say de ye hia ne 3 points no ye hia any excuse bia farmer na ye krado na
More fire, Otiminka.
Ojani Shiwa.
Yeah, Obaba.
Yes.
Fire, Otiminka.
More fire, meton kapa papa minu abema. Meton kapa radio. Ukwe mwanye e bie di amao. Emrante no mo wo hwa amutie o. Wa wuni mo mo hwa wo soso. Coach no soso ne nkrofo ne tene nche. Ombebo na mane etimi nua fire ne enko.
More fire. E simple. There na ni bia o kwan. Say taxpayers money dey regular stars no. Obi abetimi aye dey akire na adwene. If you turn about for no fire burning. Mo ntena won kan kire say and then can't your players and they say muntie media no muntie media no ono Tony Bafo enye media adaroma ko ono no Ghana no ye wonu o Germany no ye be hu na mana ba bobo ama Ghana anaso oba Ghana na onya ni chip o course ni Ghana 92 a abedi pele entimi mobo ni bia isa so o se the captain ma opokunti Lord Zico anaso Tony ye bu amo ba ko a ye san wo mu ho e the captain ma ono Tony Bafo no ni say bia just a Ghana no just a cheap country BT wanyane Owie no was apoto ye penalty twene as captain. O brother now fi Germany German born Daniel. Owie no apoto ye penalty decisive penalty captain. What to twene ya obi anka na hwe nti ebesi ne no ni say Ghana na efo amanti sana o si nyina ye no na ye catch Blasters so omunyiri omuho no omumobo no a uji no ka say mo omuntie media because ubenya ne fo fire burning okay that time no some fantastic about captain no politics na everything ne sa politics for interest for no on some fata near the arsenal and as here the leadership for the amano no on some fata near friend of Blasters no that time no sa no marketing kiti we no and no ne aye kisia e destroy your Blasters no our Blasters ko bobo against Gabon Blasters ko bobo against Gabon usro ena anase Ghana for usro ena motivational message football no enya about motivational message o ko bo Ghana against Gabon ena pressure under pressure be simoso Ghana Blasters musro ena we are motivational message ena we are mama message what my message so be it but I can't say my players in the media no. What do you mean? What are you trying to tell us? Oma wow and also omun few and then few because whoever the captain let him work. Oma omun cheap. Ya to omun cheap, ya to magni cheap. I simple. We see our Blasters players no catch no omun. More fire. Motemeka. Yeah.
Kapa, ya to kakwaku. Fire.
Yeah, Ghana frontier me. Mo bian so le keke. Mo old players. Mo nam Blasters team no. And mo hwa Blasters afa average players. Mo Blasters ni bida. It is our message for motivational message ba wo. But then can't there wo say mo muntie media no. Mo muntie ni e ka no. Mo bobia ma captain unya ni chief captain ya won sem fatase o ya de captain be ma abre opokunti Lord Zico any Tony ya bo am camp unya ni chief ndi who all camp be anyhow any nonsense fire burn him one fire sakura national team no ya na yo e taxpayers money you have 3 players support national team no say kamutimi 2 omo for say the World Cup qualifier matches ayebo any AFCON qualifier matches ayebo nyina no team ni yen hihye ni yen free correct players average players what they were as former Blasters captain James FC player Philemon Bafi and ne omo di ni ko Portugal so won go trials no won ko contract broni kro mo mobo when timi an ko training tour ni bi e wo Katadoha woye exceptional player woye Ronaldo woye Messi woye Ronaldinho woye World Pele Blasters to me bobo ni e number 2 amana bobo na Philemon Bafi we to bench still ye man bobo bibi when timi an ni Blasters an go for training but ye timi amana ko Portugal so on go justify and bet him okoye justify we shall say a sign and not and sign or Tony Bafo himself and no maybe say no some na mo kan mo bobo ni bi da mo captain bi da no these are things also mo kan because your players are o met me pop Blasters no muntimi ka am your fresh players and then na afa na boy no aba to Cameroon I say abeka Blasters no and na me say one exceptional player one no a ball and wobble. And yet, interest, and yet agents go for, and a omu at the blasters no, at home players are. And cat, Tilumo Buffalo, where a player, Sabi, the two players in Ghana and as a local league man. And not Tony Buffalo or some Munamoka. Neja that nonsense, no be more respect. Now, so what it? Maybe I'm just cheap journalist for you. Whoever the cafe to let him wait. Maybe just cheap journalist now. Oma Tom Munyansa, and I said, Oma Tom Mohofono. Sorty, it will be respect to no respect to movie. Oh, was some catching up last last. No, I can't. But I'm a country journalist for say, yeah, ma blasters players in Tia. Momuntiana, Vomutia. Maybe so. Ball of Fono boy against Morocco, I offer. Now, Quack boy against Gabona. What did you know now, Fena? Oh, Baba, Num.
Fireman.
Ghana against Gabon. Ghana against Gabon. And you match today. Blasters. Motivational message. They catch you. Ain't me for 3 points in the map. I just a map for day and sign at 3 points in a back. And then against Gabon. Say, Blasters players, no, if we don't keep them on their post, woman won't coach me over right back. Now, coach now, coach here. Now, players now, more born here, woman fat, and what they have to fight. Now, Omunya is a cheap motivational message in the San Tony Buffalo, cheap, you're cheap, cheap motivational messages, you know, rather, and then a players in the 80. Okay, no one they tell them to fight for Mother Ghana. Now, Mother Ghana invest to a blasters at you invest to a currently, yet woman called Kata, Doha, and woman called your training. Woman be a training in Upper Cameroon still taxpayers' money, show almost taxpayers' money, bonuses, per diems. If you also want to cook then you can't get Gabon, yeah. You have no business in the competition. Say blasters into me, Gabon. Then blasters, any business, I will have one see a bit me. Coach Milo, or tactics, you know, and then you perceive who say, oh, tactics. Who free Ghana, who buy, you know, one ball close to 5 or 6 matches. And now here is the Sangaba blasters. You won't formation be a wound tactics be a. You won't be before be a Timilo Faraiva. Rather, one can't tell say one killer tactics. He can run, but he can never hide. On day about do 8 p.m., 7 p.m. Ghana time, about do I'm a young game no say Milo. This time around, after that abysmal performance time for now, Omukutu against Morocco. This time was Sisa Noma, I'm a normal assistant Ghana. I'm yet to Yase Gabo. Naya Kuko Yadim. That is all. All the players are last year. And you can't hide. There is no place for Milovan today to hide. Or better than the tactics, or better than me against Gabon. And it's simple. What I say, blasters need the strength. And we have to push them. We have to keep them on their toes in the professional way. Ghanaians are only demanding for win. Nothing more but win. And then like Ghana for Ghana for win and then no more who say and no more assistant. No more assistant. You better make a take up number. If you can't win against Gabon and then also your sister your back. Any luggage nearby Ghana back. We don't need to even play Comoros. Say yen to me and say Gabon now. Master, if you need motivational message, which yet team beat is Cameroon, team beat is Nigeria. Oma serious, the correct players by. Etina Omukulo training. Oma poor matches, I'm young said, Omo Yadiano, which just our teams visa, and only motivational messages. Now, and yes, Gabon, Ghana, 4 times champion, Papa Gabon, and I will be asked motivational message. Motivational message can't time for professional. Master, tell the boys to fight. They have to fight. Some lazy approach in the movie. Born against Morocco, more was no multi-meter. As woman did me, as woman could to my thing, they can't fight. Tell the blasters to fight, but not to tell media, say, ma blasters is owning media. For what nonsense? Fire, burn them. and na Ghana for the young nation they say when so woman to me then also fire coach, fire players, fire woman taxpayers money. Woman nam plasters with this old players woman come to Kurenino. Fire woman free team no. What on about phone na mo na. Unya FA president Brasobidi. Unya FA president Brasobidi. And what you want to so be for the ano or pursue opportunity and go for so. No water can quench up the fire. Yeah, who keep people on your toes. A tournament in Yaba. And you also gonna need Bia, a year de bois, near Timothy Capital. That is what fire for fire I'm doing in a professional way. I am ready for the battle. I am ready to support Blasters, and I'm supporting Blasters. But medium who America, some more coach that bad selection, any average players, I will fire. There was some giant nonsense, no my year, not Ghana, yet Ghana. The Nima itself win today against Gabon. We are going to play Gabon. We are found wanted. What nonsense. Tony Bafo, over Plaster, Senegal 92 squad, and Alaska Senegal 94 squad. Almost Gabon, Gabon. Maybe so. Senegal 2 squad. Blasters, those kinds. Almost Gabon, almost Gabon. Now, yeah, kind of crash the Blasters in it. Mabit my no professional. Nonsense. Blasters, Ghanaians need win today. Without the win, a bear fire. Minaba, fire lady, Magana Nibia Chelakle, and then win. Woman convinced him win. So much son, woman to my home, our tournament to wear the capital. Magana Nibia fire. More fire, doctor, a bed level, Elohim Treatment Center, OPK hands free, more fire, and DBS moving sheet. Let's say, I don't sheet for papa. What's that? Fire, let me fire me. A fire be a professional.
Yes, Sebeyo Sha Ampa, Countryman Songo, Minya Bemano, as usual, you can never quench that fire. What I say, it's your fire. So me fire now, so I be fire now. Yede. Oja, sit down. Call my Electroland Ghana Limited for my boy Chidom Strong. Cause Samsung products. They only say a boy Duma Papa. One more so a boy Chidom Strong. Cause Menes Beauty Palace. So na ye mi ti kama. Edema me friend was 0244211106. So na won see o kama na Hadasa so Papa B wonu e wo fi ha wonu na ye makeup kama pa Esther and na wo ye makeup no no so more fire enko enfama na Yusuf munyina mo bo mechidom ko a more fire enko fama mo continental Africa apesa tu kwan kwa brochire dia na akosua de na akọ pedwuma bi bo ankofo mbetimi de wakọ kama no mama wadwuma nso bibia kama enti ko makache Silver Star Auto car papa opeka efe ne bo wo fam so dia na Silver Star Auto na mekanfo de ama more fire enko enfama mese no mo hwe Mr and Mrs Avonyo Senior, more fire to you. As the Bibia Econ, Camima Mesu, Equia Geneto, or Eatim Poku, Yasimu Bium Cassia, and Yasem Ketuakra, more fire and call and family. Busia phone in us to Mobia Yako. Not your Guswadi, Semne Braman, Chebia, maybe a phone lines, no. Now also so wabe fire, na ye day, na yoja, but ye be try a husima, na ye ba, a bad day, Oja. Oja. Mijidi say who enjoy show no also bet me e dey message sabana bibia konka a typical Ghanaian and a typical Ghanaian won here Black Stars player no won here winning bonus who winning aji $10,000 na en fa ne ho wati ne hu ne asi fifre dia ye adwuma and ye the taxpayers money in de wakọ na Dubai ama yakwa ye de matena the best hotel baby am beko bia ye mo to say that bees Ghana niya wonu watini baby no one here $10,000 ni bi do here ne 3 points no take not the for us Countryman Songo ni abe masa wa homa ne sibie mo so aka bibi o pese osan edit to jati farman ojani shiwa farman ojani shiwa
Baba bibia kama there's nothing ni one is a Blasters
yes
motivational messages and mobile and fan 3 points in mark me pesa Ghana ni bia fire and was asking mu say and da bia nyame beye no nyame ne bo wiase ma wo bia o bompa me so me bompa e o yi udi no kune na o boaboa hu ya eno na empire no eye adwuma sa nyame beye no enje 3 points ni enje 3 points ni say you fight hard uba kunko den wo park no so it me say Ghana ni bia fairly mo bia 3 seconds Ghana and then Ghana match Ghana ni bia bi Ghana ni bia paso chile na gine obia 3 seconds no bia chile na gine say and can't blasters coach ni players they say motivational messages you know and get 3 points and check but when you fight hard on the field baby amo bobo ni ye mo defend ni ye mo dago ni ye mo midfield mo body ye attacking no mo selfish mo boa mo ho mo share goals you are fighting and no any bit me mo nya 3 points in Ghana ni bia on fire 0
Ayo 03022117010 03022117002 03022117003 02022117004 also bet me afre now the wadwen chaba say motivational messages ebo ball na say ya body na ye de ebo ball no eti also bet me e de wadwen che aba na yakoye nim ne ehudi ekọ ne de ba se na ye ka no enye no ene ye de bobo mumre mumoje ni ene awie Gabon Gabon is beatable Gabon nanka Ghana ni ye Ghana ki ekosia Gabon anka ye besu enki ye besu eti say Black Stars of Ghana hey are we serious and I make a cho no Ghana ni awotini fie no watini nani fifre ni ye de ni sika de wuko but was it winning bonus now? Bet General no one more pay. One pay wisika. Nemo more penny 3 points. 8 man we need ya. And your mamma magano. Ya catch them. Ya ni brab priwo cromano. Mude munimo. Mammy fed your one man so no one man so. Kwajo Ali a Johnny Showa.
Wow, beba.
Aha, but all free.
I'm a casa free danfa.
Okay, danfa phone na ya mamma more fire. Fire ni uncle.
Na the two says you to win a match with your coach in the say Pamono. You to win the say Pam coach in the club. Yeah.
Ocha, not a Ghana for NHL one more dream no. Honorable Prince, a Johnny Showa.
Wow, beba mini about our pom today.
Pacho yesu adome ho ye papa. Na hifa na ufrefi.
We can tell Elibo.
Okay, Elibo. Oh, come French ba kubiaka. Yeah. A Jésus Christ. Okay, me pacho the one man so do Nigeria, e Johnny Showa.
Me da for him wa beba so that was secret don't come from pressure. So him
yes sir. More fire.
Because Ghana Black team said Kotoko team we cry Basa wala we cry Jom Kujana no and come back home what. So you say Nigeria for pass bomb what. Yeah, taxpayer money reach Amokau. Intimate say na coach no who should be just what me make me qualify no got Gabon here. Kako nim sia so. E dia tie bia no e no ko family ni mre. Family ya. Eni omo nka ha me da say.
Ocha, Crystal awa humane so Johnny Showa.
Johnny Showa wa beba.
Aha, na ifa na ofrefi.
Ni nua ba metia no mama o moni adwuma. Ene wa ye adwuma ni nyina nyame insura.
Amen.
Crystal ni don kokrum aframpri.
Okay. Ye chia aframpri so nyina.
The Ghana for footballers no mo ye no. In fact, omo high akoma pa. Yes, rewo bi ne ye hwehwe. Yes, ye the Ghana tax ayi tia no e de hwewom. Na omo ni akoma pa mo man na ye de akoma pa e mo man no. Yes, rewo.
Ocha. Na tu oso also obetimi aba na
Kazawi Abdul Majuma.
Okay, Johnny Showa.
Wow, beba.
Me pacho fire na yenko.
Adibagu hamiwo nimo.
Yenko takwa. Yo, yenko takwa dia wana wa humane so.
Hello, madam.
Johnny Showa.
Me pacho Francis ni.
Francis Johnny Showa.
Wow, beba.
Aha, more fire. Na frefin takwa.
Me pacho
takwa dia michia Oramos Park ane eye media mafo nyina ane Rose Park wati ni obi a wotie fitakwa. Fire ne yenko.
Yo, madam. Madam, your man, you know, Mumba had him from a by a slow. Is that your bomb pie? Why a slim pie? Yeah, by a baby need to know why.
Amen. Oja. Not just a 2-0 on the day. Why now, man, so SK Johnny Showa. Oh, SK to me and you now so. Also, bet me a friend now the Wajin Chaba 0302211701 0302211702 0302211703 0302211704. Also, bet me a channel wa friend now the Wajin Che Abba. That's it, bro. Johnny Showa.
Obeba.
More fire. Me patch off refi.
Me frefi in my equi hospital.
Oh, is my phone na more fire enko enfa emamo. Me patch off fire ne enko.
No quite Ghana team no yeta na tipa. And so born na mo boy krompo no division 2 krompo into me mbosa. Born na mo boy de ya agro na mo kodi I say mo di agro mo bobo mpo ano. Born mo bobo no wani bre so. Bono mumbo no wani bre say moreover so team omo ti bench no assistant coach ni na se for no I say bono no mo nhwe bi so na mo hwefie na mo hwo bono sede because omo wo fed no so na ball Jordan Ayu bono enya say mo hu na mo signal coach no se sano because bono mo bon de bia encourage say mo betumi ade crew anaba. More fire,
Oja. Not to say, Oja ni Showa, Ubeba, also Ubetimi Afre, champion macho, Oja ni Showa.
Mrs. Tabakope,
Amen.
Mrs. Tabakope,
champion macho, me brother Banko, fire. Amen.
Ghana friend na say and then the one fire little me about the fire na here Oja
more fire
me go me Ghana say Ghana for atia na muye ye yombo fire from Ghana yombo fire from Ghana ye bomb fire Ghana be be smile ma uzo wo Ghana there one for success the one for no and you make na go from my kunenti
Oja champion macho michia ne nkrofo ni nyina wo air station ho no mo na me hwa mo sa bibia mu bie mu e de ehwe eye Adum TV na bibia e konkan Karen Obey Mrs Papa bi ene ye 10th anniversary ware ye 10 good years in your front desk of multimedia. Nyankopon enton super enguma ware na so na monko enkomanim so many years emegu so emfa mamo. Na yenko asase Oja ni Showa.
Wow, beba.
More fire. Me pacho frefi.
Me frefi asante achimdwa so.
Asase kotokoni ni ana.
Evajo debi.
Okay, asante achimfo ya more fire pacho fire ne yenko.
Mini Assembly Canada American say a year Ghana team no and yes motivational speak messages no and then a bishop goes na my
okay
me mo dembo
yeah
and empire so na ya bebo dia to machi se na be ya enemi mo bebo mo homode
yeah
mase
yes ya da se pa Oja na se oti ase me kra me gina ha yi ne nansa pe me papa nya me afre no ma begina ha agime Black Stars atare enti we kra anya motivational enough ma wana na mun win mayan ya mo win amayan na ya ne mu obi ka ya ne mu obi ka papa because you promised that movie hakono mo promise ye those days no abedi pele mo say mo ba ya de omo ko ayo ya de omo ko tamaleni ade e ho ne ye ko campion mo so mo nko acclimatize wo ho na mo wie di mo ko Dubai ni etu sika kese ni akọ spend a lot of cash on you yes so ma musika winning bonuses akese play for us na boma ho na tro within gold na da che wo ma ne wo nana no mo ba wo ma be hu se wa be bo adwuma mo se mo ntie mo kwa na be kobobo tro kan na nanwumre 7 pm se mo antina mo nan so na mo mbri mo money jeni se ne omo Naija efo mo nuano mo Wamo see a kind of the din ma woman mine and you are Cameroon you saw them and we want to see beautiful goals. See a beautiful football. What I say? Yo, King of by Hearts, Accra Newtown, share Nyankopon Asia, Papa Mofire and Koma. 1 week celebration, the Desmond Bofie, Mofire and Confirma, Asida and Koma, Muamubo Mechidom Shokuni na Prissy Baby, one and a director, Sergio Manucho, international producer, Nat ni Jonas ni Yusuf Munina, Mofire and Confirma Mubia, na Nyamia Dumna Dumbidumia, next week Monday, Yabasa Swaba, na Ayede. Ocha